Wind chill is a measure of how cold people feel when the wind is blowing. A formula for estimating the wind chill is wind chill equals air temperature minus 0.7 times wind speed, where temperature is in degrees Fahrenheit and wind speed is in miles per hour. Suppose the air temperature is 36 degrees Fahrenheit and the wind speed is 18 miles per hour. Which of the following is closest to the wind chill? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's plug the numbers into the formula. The wind chill equals 36 minus 0.7 times 18. Following the order of operations, we multiply first 0.7 times 18 equals 12.6. Now subtract. 36 minus 12.6 equals 23.4. That is closest to 23, which is answer choice B. So the wind chill is closest to 23.